Welcome to Atlantic Cape Enrollment Services presentation on dual credit registration. Today we're going to briefly go over the steps to log into your student accounts, how to access your registration, and the deadlines for the 2024-2025 academic year. First and foremost, you may be wondering, what is dual credit and what are the benefits of dual credit? Dual credit courses are courses that are taught at the high school by high school teachers but are contracted with Atlantic Cape for college credit. A few benefits of students completing dual credit courses are that credits are transferable to many other colleges, not only in New Jersey, but across the country. It helps students build towards an associate's degree, and it is a fraction of the cost of what a student would pay if they were coming in as a matriculated freshman or a transfer student. What are the deadlines for dual credit? Each year the deadline changes. This year the application deadline is November 30th, 2025. That means all new students must have applied for admission into the dual credit program on or prior to that November 30th date. Registration will be open for new and returning dual credit students beginning on January 15th, 2026 and will close on March 15th, 2026. Payment is due on or prior to that March 15th deadline. Failure to make payment may result in your dual credit courses being voided. No late registrations will be approved for the 2026 dual credit registration period. After confirming with your high school counselor that you are in eligible dual credit courses, upon completion of the admissions application and submission of proper materials, you'll be able to register for your dual credit courses. The materials that are needed for Atlantic Cape to pre-plan these courses on your account consist of high school transcripts, rosters, schedules, anything of that sort that we can verify that you are in fact taking these dual credit courses. This information typically comes directly from the high school. So if registration is open and you do not have anything pre-planned on your account, it may just mean that we haven't received those materials yet. However, if you would like to send those materials over yourself, just to ensure that you're able to register, make your payment, and ensure that everything is complete, you can email that information to the HS enrollment email, which will be provided at the end of this presentation. If you prefer to just wait to have your high school send that material over, that is completely fine as well. You may just wait a little bit longer. It may take a couple weeks to get that information from the high school, but again, don't panic because registration is open until March 14th. Now we're going to move into a step-by-step tutorial on how to access your student accounts. Recently, Atlantic Cape launched Atlantic Cape Connect, which is a new way to sign into your student accounts. This is where all of your student information will be housed. Self-service, if you want to look at any of your financial information, if you want to look at any resources available through the college, this all will be directly through Atlantic Cape Connect. So once you're on the college's homepage, you're going to go up to the corner where the red box is that says Quick Links, and you're going to click on the Atlantic Cape Connect self-service. You'll scroll down and you'll see that there is the option to log into Atlantic Cape Connect. Once you get to this page, this is where you're entering in your student credentials. All new students receive this information in their acceptance email when they applied to the college. All returning dual credit students receive this information back in October. This is going to be your username at student.atlanticcape.edu. If you do not have these login credentials, please reach out and we'll be sure to help you get into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will navigate over to the sidebar under the Academics tab. You'll click on the Academics tab and hit Register for Classes. This will bring up a course schedule, which will show all of the courses that you're eligible to register for. You want to ensure that you hit the Tab button to find the 2025 Spring High School semester, as this is where your dual credit course will be. You will hit Register on any of the eligible dual credit courses you wish to receive credit for. Once you are registered, you will scroll up to the top where you can make your payment. For any assistance regarding Atlantic Cape Connect, please contact us at hsenrollment@atlanticcape.edu for assistance, or you may also call our help desk at 609-343-4703 and someone will be able to help you troubleshoot. Please note that this information can only be shared directly with the student due to FERPA regulations. A parent, guardian, friend, no one can call on the student's behalf or reach out on the student's behalf regarding account credentials. This communication must come directly from the student in order for us to help them reset and get access into their Atlantic Cape Connect account. In conclusion of this presentation, I do want to provide the contact information of who you would reach out to and when. Any questions regarding registration, account access, payment, that can be directed to the HS enrollment email or by calling us at 609-343-5005. That is the number for the Enrollment Services Department. Those are all questions that Atlantic Cape is happy to assist with. If you have any questions regarding future dual credit eligible courses, your high school schedule, or any adjustments that you may want to make to your schedule at the high school, that is when you will reach out directly to somebody at the high school, such as a counselor. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this presentation and to have interest in participating in dual credit.